Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Hbar price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Hbar chart, which at the time of this recording has continued to hold above a key area of support at around the $0.0639 mark. We have also continued to hold above the 20-day MA here on the daily chart, and here on TradingView you can see that the market is up by 4.19%, which is a massive bounce to the upside, and at the time of this recording we are seeing a lot of strength to continue pushing even higher in a move that has also continued to obey the Elliot structures. And before I give you my next price targets here on the Hbar chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, and also give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, where you can see that Hbar, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a massive bounce to the upside, making it to an all-time high at around the $0.58 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure, which has now given us a low at around the $0.0356 mark in what I'm terming as the low for that second wave to the lower side. And after seeing the low for the second wave, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, and that perfectly lies at around the $0.9768 mark, and that is what I'm expecting here on the long-term scenarios. And jumping to the 1 hour chart to give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, and also my next price targets here on the Hbar chart, you can see that down there, this is where we made our low at around the $0.0356 mark before we started a massive bounce to the upside in a move that has been obeying the Elliot structures, where I'm terming that as the first wave to the upside. Then we have retesting the formation of that wave 2 before we started this bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, giving us a peak at around the $0.0808 mark before we started this corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4. And I believe we have also seen the low for this fourth wave, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 5. And by first showing you that the formation of this wave 4 has done the minimum that we expect a fourth wave to the lower side to do, by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, that gives me a minimum retestment area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which is a target area that we have fully maximized. And after seeing the low for that fourth wave, whatever we expect next is a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 5. And I believe that is what is playing out at the moment, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.867 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 5 to the upside to do, and that is just a minimum target area. So we need to have in mind that there are chances of managing to break above the fib level 1.61 and continue breaking through other key areas on the Fibonacci's. And once the wave 5 is in, then we can name these 5-wave structure to the upside as a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And to get to the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, here on the 1 hour chart you can see that we have managed to break above the 20-day MA, which is now acting as support for us to continue pushing even higher. And I said to you in my previous videos that a break above the 20-day MA could trigger a move that could help us continue pushing even higher, get back to the wave 3 high at around the $0.0808 mark, and a break above the wave 3 high will be enough confirmation that whatever we are seeing here on the Hbar chart is a movement to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. And once we fully maximize the formation of that wave 5, then we can name that 5-wave structure to the upside as a larger Elliot wave count 1 before we can expect a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2. And once the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 is in, then we can expect another explosive move to the upside in the formation of these higher Elliot wave count 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and I have given you my target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at around the $0.0867 mark as a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5, and also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported on the RSI. On the RSI we are trading at around the 64 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 5. And also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that wave 5. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.